Alright, so once again this E-Rod motor has semi-malfunctioned. It's working in the closed direction, which is fine because it's already closed. When you push the open direction, it just makes a little click. I suspect another relay has died, so let's take it apart. Alright, step one is removing these 4 Phillips screws. And that's the circuit board that we need to work on. So I suspect one of these 2 relays has failed, so each relay controls one side of the DC motor, the white wire and the black wire. And when the relays are turned off, these contacts should be connected to that guy there, and when it's turned on, they're connected to that guy there. However, this relay over here, there is no connection between the black wire and either of these 2 guys. So I believe that relay is my problematic one that's going to get replaced. Now I'm not saying these E-Rods fail frequently. I just happen to have a supply of the appropriate relays. Also, the crystal oscillators from the remote control. If you drop the remote control on the floor, you might break a crystal oscillator. Alright, replaced the relay, and once again, both directions are working. Aha!